If I had to choose just one place in Switzerland, Grindelwald would be it. This village feels like a fairy tale, surrounded by tall mountains, green fields, and picture perfect wooden houses. In this video, I will take you along my trip here, showing cable car rides, train journey, and some of the most beautiful views you can imagine. So let's begin our Grindelwald adventure. Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to another travel blog from Switzerland. So today is my day 5 in Switzerland and right now I am in Grindelwald. So in the last 4 days I have already covered the Alice Glacier, Zermatt and Kindersteg, where I have visited the Oceansee Lake yesterday. So yesterday I came here from Kindersteg to Grindelwald by train. So आज हम Grindelwald explore करने वाले हैं, but the weather is not that good if you see. It's cloudy outside, but the good thing in Switzerland is there are so many viewpoints up there and हर जगह पे लाइव कैम लगा हुआ है. और अब एक वेबसाइट है जिसका लिंक मैं नीचे डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स पे दे दिया है. वहाँ पे आप जो हर एक व्यू पॉइंट है उसका अभी करेंट क्या व्यू दिख रहा है वो आप देख सकते हो. जैसे आई हैव प्लान टू गो टू मैनलिशन बाई गंडोला नाउ, बट द प्रॉब्लम इज़ ऊपर से जो एक्चुअल व्यू होता है ईगर मॉन्च और यूंगफ्राउ का वो अभी आ नहीं रहा है, क्योंकि क्लाउड में आप देख ही सकते हो कि ये सब पहाड़ जो है वो अभी बादल के पीछे ढका हुआ है. सो आई एम प्लानिंग टू गो समवेयर एल्स फर्स्ट, फिर बाद में देखेंगे अगर वेदर अच्छा हुआ तो फिर इधर जाएंगे. वैसे आज तक वेदर ठीक रहने का प्रेडिक्शन है, कल थोड़ा ज़्यादा ही बारिश होगा. तो आई एम प्लानिंग टू विजिट ऑल द प्लेसेस विच आई हैव प्लान टुडे इटसेल्फ. दिस इज़ द hostel where I am staying right now. This is Grindelwald Youth Hostel and I booked it for 2 nights for me and my friend Dhanush. It cost me 237 Swiss franc for 2 nights for 2 bed including breakfast, which is a very cheap price in Grindelwald, and you can see the view from the balcony. If the breakfast is included in your package, then first thing to do in the day is to fill your tummy as much as possible. So ये देखो वेदर अच्छा हो गया, so धूप आ गया है. तो as per the plan we are going to visit the Manlishan. तो ये है केबल कार. सो वी आर गोइंग टू द टॉप. The Manlishan cable car takes around 20 minutes one way from Grindelwald terminal. As I go up, I feels like flying over the Grindelwald valley with small wooden houses, green fields, pine forests and winding mountain roads below. The high peaks around make the ride even more stunning, especially with the slow and peaceful journey. So we came half away. So this is an intermediate station. We don't need to get down. Again it will go up to the final destination, Manlishan. So here we are on the top of the Manlishan. Now let's explore the places. Actually our plan is to go for a trail here which is called Panorama Trail. Starting from here it will go to Kleinschedig railway station, but that we will do later. First let's visit the whole place. So these are the 3 famous mountain peaks: Eger, Monch and Jungfrau. Down there is Lauterbrunnen Valley. This is Wengen. and from this side we came down there, it is Grindelwald. And now we will go right there to the top, that is the viewpoint.
This short hike from the cable car station is called the Royal Walk, and on a clear day like this, you will be rewarded with a full 360-degree view, including the Interlaken in far.
So we came back from Royal Walk. So Mallischen is actually a cliff in between Grindelwald and Lauterbrunnen Valley. So this side we have Grindelwald and other side we have Lauterbrunnen and Wengen. The ticket price is 34 Swiss franc. Now if you have half-year travel card, then it will be half. Just for us it took 17 Swiss franc for one way. For both way it will be obviously 34 Swiss franc. You can even come from Lauterbrunnen Wengen side. So Wengen से आपको डायरेक्ट केबल कार मिल जाएगा यहाँ का. The price will be almost similar. But Lauterbrunnen से आपको Wengen ट्रेन में या केबल कार में, सेपरेट केबल कार में आना पड़ेगा. तो अभी हम ये वाले ट्रेक रूट लेंगे. इसका नाम है पैनोरामा ट्रेल और ये जाएगा क्लेंस्केडिग और यहाँ से डिस्टेंस है 1 hour 30 minutes. सो इट विल बी ऑलवेज डाउन ओनली. डाउन देयर इज़ ग्रिंडेलवाल्ड जहाँ से हम आए हैं. ऑलमोस्ट रीच टू क्लेंसेडिग रेलवे स्टेशन. सो वो नीचे दिख रहा है और क्लेंसेडिग रेलवे स्टेशन से तीनों तरफ ट्रेन जाता है. एक जाता है वेंगन के लिए, हम लोग अभी जाएंगे ग्रिंडेलवाल्ड, यहाँ से ट्रेन लेंगे. और एक जाता है ईगर ग्लेशियर जो ऊपर जाता है, यूंगफ्राउ वॉच के रूट पे है. So this is Kleinstedig railway station. So this is the railway line which is going to Eger Glacier. और दूसरे साइड पे हमारा ट्रेन आने वाला है ग्रिंडेलवाल्ड के लिए. So train is at 1 PM. So we already booked the ticket from SBB app. So it cost 19.5 Swiss franc after applying half-year travel card. So it is a little bit expensive because it's a mountain train and scenic view train, whatever you can say. And the trekking journey was amazing. So weather is also good today. We don't know how the weather will be tomorrow because tomorrow and day after tomorrow heavy rain warning है. तो ये वुडन चेयर वाला ट्रेन है.
The train ride from Glenshadegg to Grindelwald takes about 35 minutes. The views are amazing, just like the Mannlichen cable car but from a different angle. The train goes slowly, so you get time to enjoy the whole valley through the big glass window, with alpine meadows, wooden houses, and the three famous peaks, Eiger, Monch, and Jungfrau. This is Grindelwald bus stand right next to the train station. From here you can catch buses to explore different parts of Grindelwald. And if you are staying in the village, you will receive a guest pass that gives you free access to all local bus rides.
बैक टू ग्रिंडेलवाल्ड, पर वेदर उतना अच्छा नहीं है कि कहीं और एक्सकर्शन पे निकले हम लोग, और कहीं जाने लायक है नहीं। अभी ऑलरेडी शाम हो चुका है, तो अभी बस सोचा कि आसपास के विलेजेस वगैरह थोड़ा बहुत आउटस्कर्ट्स में जाके थोड़ा बहुत एक्सप्लोर कर लेते हैं। ये देखो यहाँ पे ऐसे होते हैं विलेज हाउसेस, और पीछे दोज आर द हाई पीक्स।
Also, I got opportunity to take some snaps as well. This is how we spent the whole day in Grindelwald. अगर वीडियो अच्छा लगा हो तो लाइक, शेयर एंड सब्सक्राइब कर देना। And next episode I will be in Lauterbrunnen.